Here we are doing exercise 3.6. Find the HCF of the following numbers, and we will do this question by prime factorization method. First of all, we have to prime factorize 18 and then 48, and then we will find the common factors. So first of all, find prime factorization of 18 divided by 2, then we will get 9. It is not divisible by 2, now it is divisible by 3, we will get 3. Then again it is divisible by 3. Now by 48 divided by 2 we will get 24. Again divide by 2 we will get 12. Again divide by 2 we will get 6. Again divide by 2 we will get 3. Again divide by 3 we will get 1. Now we have to write the factors. 18 we get 2, 3, 3. So 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. And 48 we will write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Then we have to take common. 1 2 is common. This 3 1 3 is common. So SCF is this 2 and then this 3. So 2 3s are 6. I hope you have understood. Now next question. It is 30 and it is 48 divided by 30 is divided by 2, we will get 15. Then divided by 3 we will get 5. Then divided by 5 we will get 1. Now in 42 we will again divide it by 2, it is 21. Now it is not divided by 2, it is divisible by 3, so it is 7, and 7 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 7. Now 30 factors are 2, 3, 5, and 42 it is 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. Then common numbers are 2 and 3, so SCF is 2 into 3 means 6. Now here you can see SCF is 6. Now 18 and 60. First of all we will prime factorize 18. It is divided by 2, then it is divided by 3, again divided by 3. Then 60 divided by 2, it is 30, divided by 2 it is 15, divided by 3 it is 5, and then by 5. Now 18 we can write it as 2 into 3 into 3, and 60 we can write it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now here you can see SCF is common, this 2 is common in both, 1 3 is common in both, so 2 3s are 6. Here SCF is 6. Now D part you can see it is 27, then we prime factorize 27. It is not divisible by 2, we have to divide it by 3, then again by 3, and again by 3. Then 63 is also not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, so 21, again divisible by 3 it is 7, and then 7 ones are 7. Now 27 we can write 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, 63 we can write 3 multiply 3 multiply 7, so it is 3. Then here you can see 2 3s are common, so SCF is 3 into 3, it is 9. Now here it is 36 and 84. 36, first of all prime factorize 36. Divided by 2 we will get 18. Again divide by 2 we will get 9. Again divide by 3 we will get 3, and 3 ones are 3. Then 84. Divide by 2 we will get 42, then 2, then 21, then 3, then 7, and 7 ones are 7. Then 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 84, 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, then common is, so SCF will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 means 4 3s are 12. Here SCF will be 12. Now here you can see 34 and 102. So 34 we will divide by 2, we will get 17. then divided by 17, because 17 is a prime number, so it is only divisible by 17. Then divided by 2 it is 51, divided by 3 it is 17, and 17 ones are 17. So 34 we can write 2 into 17, and 102 we can write 2 into 3 into 17. So 2 is common and 17 is common. So SCF is 2 17s are 34. Here divide 70 by 2 first, then we get 35, divided by 5, that we get 7, divided by 7, that we get 1. 105 divided by 3, it is 35, divided by 5, it is 7, divided by 7, it is 1. Then 115 divided by, it is not divisible by 2 and it is not divisible by 3, so we have to divide it by 115 is divisible by 5. We have to divide it by 5, then we get 23, and then by 23 ones are. Now we will write all the factors. First of all of 70, 2 into 5 into 7, then of 105 factors, 3 into 5 into 7, and 115 factors, 5 into 23. Now here you can see only 5 is common, so SCF is 5. Now next, here 91, 112. So 91 we have to do first, divided by, it is not divisible by 3, it is divisible by 7. So we get 13, and 13 ones are 13. Then 112 divided by 2 first, then we get 56. Again divided by 2 we get 28, again divided by 2 we get 14, again divided by 2 we get 7, and 7 ones are 7. Then 49, 7 into 7, it is 49. So 91 we can say 7 into 13. 112 we can say 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 7, and 49 we can say 7 multiplied by 7. So common is only 7 is common here, so SCF is 7. On I part, here you can see it is 18, 54, and first of all we will do 18, 2 9s are, then by 3 3s are, and again by 3 1s are. Then by 54 we will do 2s are, then 3s are, again by 3, and again by 3. Then 81 we will do by 3, it is 27, again by 3 it is 9, and again by 3 it is again 3. Now here are the factors. 18 factors are 2 into 3 into 3. 54 factors are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 81 factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now here you can see 2 3s are common, so SCF is 3 into 3 means 9. Now last question of the first part. First of all we have to do 12, so 2s are 6, and again by 2, then we get 3, and 3 ones are 3. Then 45 by 3 we have to do, it is 15, again by 3 we will get 5, and again by 5 we get 1. Then 75 we will divide it by 3, then we got 25, then by 5 we get 5, and by 5 we get 5. Now 12, 2 into 2 into 3, 45, it is 3 into 3 into 5, or it is 75, then it is 3 into 5 into 5. Now we will take common. Now here you can see only 3 is common here, so SCF is fill. Question number 2 of exercise 3.6. What is the SCF of two consecutive numbers, two consecutive even numbers, and two consecutive odd numbers? So first of all, we will see the SCF of two consecutive numbers is always 1. Like if we find the SCF of 2 and 3, there is only one number is common, which is 1. So SCF of two consecutive numbers is always 1. Consecutive numbers are like 2, 3, 4, 5, 16, 17. These are the numbers called consecutive numbers. Then B part, the SCF of two consecutive even numbers is 2. So we will take consecutive even numbers like 2 and 4, and when we find the SCF of 2 and 4, then we will get 2. So here we can say the SCF of two consecutive even numbers is 2. And the SCF of two consecutive odd numbers is 1. If you take 3 and 5 and then you will find the SCF of 3 and 5, then you will get 1. So our answers is, first answer, the SCF of two consecutive numbers is always 1. The SCF of two consecutive even number is 2, and the SCF of two consecutive odd numbers is 1.